My brothers and sisters around the world. Get the barbecue pit ready. Let's go and get them coolers ready. It's time to crack open a couple cold ones. We might as well just go and start celebrating right now. Right now, let's get it. The Supreme Court. Boy. This is not only a win for Trump, but a win for America, man. And it's been win after win after win after win. It got me fired up, man. That truck's running good, boy. I tell you, that truck's running good. Even though it need a new oil, the oil changes due. The back tires and the front tires are showing thread. It got the windshield, got another crack in it, but it's okay. It's okay. The AC unit don't work, but we still ride with the windows down. Amen. Love and blessings to all my patrons, man. I got to reach out to so many of you guys this morning. We got to send out more hats, more gifts to you guys. Wow. It's been an amazing start to the morning, y'all. And I hope everybody is blessed, well, and healthy. We're putting together another collage. I see more pictures come in on the email. Sorry if I haven't responded back to you guys, but I do see the pictures. So I'm putting together another collage for my community tab. If you missed the first collage, some of you beautiful faces might be in that collage, and you're going to be in the next one and a couple more that we're doing. It's in my community tab, and we also have polls in the community tab as well. But hey, let's go and jump straight in. I love you guys, man. We are just win after win after win. Look, and everybody's tagging me and all kind of stuff right now. Like, my thing is blowing up. They got what did Nancy said something? Everybody's tagging me. Oh, she was drinking whiskey and scotch on live yesterday morning, talking about President Trump has dementia. Like, cognitive abilities is he's okay to be the president, and he doesn't have anything declining in him, you know. And she says that it's still cheap fakes and deep fakes. What? Elderly abuse. Unbelievable. It's sad what we've had to witness this past week, man. You know, it's sad. That debate and everything. It's just been a complete, you know, Trump didn't even have to say anything, man. It's just ridiculous. And Jill, hands behind your back. Wonder what Jack Smith is thinking right now, what he's going through. Hands behind your back. Merrick Garland, hands behind. There's a lot of them that need to be held accountable. We could just go down the list, you know. And she come on live on there drinking that Fanny Grey Goose pack. Boy, I'll tell you, I tell you, man. It has been just a complete show, boy. But this is not just a win for Trump, it's a win for America, man. Boy. Someone said, look at all the wasted taxpayer money through all this. Insane. Yep. A lot of them need to be held accountable, man. Time for America to wake up. Wake up. You know, and as you can see, a lot of people have been waking up, man. They see what actually is going on now. You know, even the never Trumpers, even the registered Democrats, and we get thousands of comments every single day from never Trumpers, registered Democrats they're waking up, man. You know, just to wipe wipe Donald through the mud, po fella. Then they want you to think this or that. They take and spin and take everything out of context and just spin it, throw it back, spin it, throw it back again. You know, it's sad, man. And they want you to think this or this, man, and make him look like such a bad guy, evil. Unbelievable. But the truth must shine in the light. The truth must shine in the light, man. And come to find out, a lot of people haven't done their research. They haven't looked. They don't know their history. They haven't done any research at all. You know, especially my people. I gotta say it. I'm sorry. And y'all know how I feel about the race card. One race, the human race, one love, man. But it's a lot of people that they either don't want to hear the truth or they could care less for the truth. Simple as that. Common sense is far, far gone.
On to the timing of all of this. President Trump has given a statement to Fox News Digital in the wake of this decision. I'll read it for you here, and Jonathan, totally get your take on the other side. Former President Trump said, "I have been harassed by the Democrat Party, Joe Biden, Obama, and their thugs, fascists, and communists for years, and now the courts have spoken. This is a big win for our Constitution and for democracy. Now I am free to campaign like anyone else. We are leading in every poll by a lot, and we will make America great again."
Amen. That's right. We're going to get it. And hey, if you got something to say about it, come on, say it. We don't care. If you hating, if you want to come on here massaging Joe's feet, that's you. Matter of fact, you actually boost us up, and this video gets sent out to more beautiful people. So we be reading all the hate comments, man. We love y'all. Appreciate it. Keep doing what you do. Yeah. And I know y'all panicking, especially after that debate. I know a lot of the left, everybody, y'all panicking right now. You know, I know a lot of y'all been trying to get in touch with Michelle Obama and wanted Obama fourth term. But sorry. Yeah, good luck. Yeah. They say Gavin Newsom is waiting for the phone call too.
So that's his take. Although I mentioned earlier, there's another date on the calendar. This is his July 11th sentencing in New York. And I agree, Jonathan, with him when he says, "I'm free to campaign like anyone else." Will that be true at the end of the day on July 11th as well?
Well, I would hope that the judge in New York would not impose a jail sentence, because I don't think it's warranted under New York law. But this case is not over. Jack Smith is not going to go quietly into that night. I want to note two other aspects of this opinion to complete this circle. The court deals with the so-called fake electors issue. And it says, look, that question in dealing with state officials is not something that we see as falling within these core areas. And so the district court's going to have to look at those communications to determine to what extent there is this immunity, presumptive or not, that might apply. But then it also talks about President Trump's January 6th speech and all of his tweets. And the language there seems quite favorable towards President Trump, and says that presidents are expected to speak forcibly on issues, that are important to citizens. And it really puts a emphasis on the fact that this is something that presidents do. Many of us believe, certainly I do, that President Trump's speech was entirely protected under the First Amendment. But the court is also saying this is a function of what presidents do on matters that divide the public. So on that, you have another section that's going to help out the Trump team dramatically in front of the district court. The one area that might be a sticky point is going to be the electors issue. Yeah. And even Trump's counsel in front of the court acknowledged that that was going to be a tougher one. But otherwise, this is a very good day for the former president. This opinion is quite favorable on most points.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kill.
Yeah, buddy. Where them Patriots at, man? Where them Patriots at? Trying to crack open a cold one. I'm telling y'all, man, it's time to crack open a couple cold ones now. You know, I know a lot of y'all sitting on the porch right now celebrating. Y'all done cracked open some of y'all called off work today. I know y'all didn't call off work. I know. Right now, everybody got to work hard. A lot of y'all got 3-4 jobs. 100 hours a week, trying to make ends meet, trying to put food on the table, man. Got to make life decisions inside of a grocery store. Unbelievable. You know, it's sad, man. Go outside. Look what's going on. I tell y'all, man, look what's going on. Look at all the problems and issues. Let's go. And the worst part about it, you go outside and see homeless veterans and all kind of, it's just sad, man. Sad, boy. I've never seen nothing like it. And I'm over here in Texas. Shout out to my Texas folk. I know we got a lot of Texas folk in here, because I know my channel gets sent out to tons of people in the beautiful Texas area, all around Texas, man. I love y'all. I love everybody everywhere, man. No matter where you're at, no matter where you live at, no matter where you're from, even outside of the U.S., we have so many amazing people on this channel. We've sent hats over to the UK, Australia, all over the place, Canada, you name it. So much love, man. So much love we're spreading. But boy. Win after win. win after win. We gonna make America great again. I got to start singing in this. I got to start singing. I said, Lil Rick, why you singing? I'm feeling good today. You know? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna check out this last one, man. But they say this is not a win for Trump. This is a win for America, baby. You know what I'm saying? But again, them tax-paying dollars then flew out the window. They done set it on fire. Some of that money is sitting in that mattress. We got to find that mattress. Oh, that Fannie G Grey Goose. Oh, boy. But man, people are struggling, man. Time for a change, man. Crime is through the roof. Criminals are just walking around, smiling, laughing, and giggling. Businesses are shutting down. People don't know what they're going to eat tomorrow. Unbelievable, man. President Trump said, I wouldn't have to be here if you didn't do such a terrible job. I could be somewhere drinking a margarita, you know, taking my hand, giving my wife a nice scalp massage, giving Melania a nice scalp massage in a nice, beautiful place. I could be somewhere enjoying my time. And I don't even know why I said that, because Trump don't drink. Yeah, Trump does not drink. Yeah, so I know a lot of y'all say, Rick, why would you even say that? Trump does not even drink. But yeah, man. Could be somewhere nice, man. Playing golf, you know, cut open a cigar and enjoy the rest of his life, man. Salute to that fella trying to, you know, trying to get us back on track, man. What they do, just try to wipe his name through the mud, you know. That's what it's like being a businessman and an outsider, you know. What it's like, man. That's why that fella got my respect. Baby.
Out of that commercial break, because we have word that the Supreme Court has issued a ruling on the extent of presidential immunity from criminal prosecution for conduct alleged to involve official acts during the tenure of President Trump. This is the big one we've been waiting for. It's consequential. It's really interesting that the Supreme Court in 248 years of our history has never actually ruled on this. So it is big and sweeping. And I have our political panel looking over this right now. Andy McCarthy, Chief Justice John Roberts has the writing on this. He's got the pen. Is that significant?
It's very significant. This is the most important case of the term in terms of the long-term interests of the executive branch, in terms of the short-term interests of Donald Trump. And it looks like, at least within the bounds of clear executive authority, what Chief Justice Roberts is saying is that the president clearly has immunity from prosecution. So the question is going to be, again, I think Trey underscored this before, is what is an official act? There's going to be a lot of litigation about that, and what's close to the core of clear executive constitutional authority versus the outer ambit of it.
Brett?
Do we have Shannon? Is she going through the paperwork? Shannon, you there?
Yes. Yes, I am here, if you can hear me. Let me read you a little bit of what we have from the court. It does find this. Under our constitutional structure of separated powers, the nature of presidential power entitles a former president to absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for actions within his conclusive and preclusive constitutional authority. He is entitled to at least presumptive immunity from prosecution for all his official acts. There is no immunity for unofficial acts. That's the first blush we've got on this. It looks like a 6-3 split. We've got the dissent by Justice Sotomayor, Kagan, and Jackson join that. There is a kind of split decision on some of these. Somebody joins in one part, not in another part, but that's the overall holding of the court. So what it means now, we'll have to dig into this and see if they tell us now, how do you decide an official act versus an unofficial act? Because that's going to be critical, having now said the president does have absolute immunity from criminal prosecution for actions within his conclusive and preclusive constitutional authority. We'll dig in, see how they define those official acts, and look for a little bit more from you from the opinion. But at first blush, this looks like it is going to be a win for the argument for presidential immunity when it comes to allegations of criminal activity.
What's interesting is that...
What do you say? I did nothing wrong. Innocent. Tell them corruptors go cry in your... What my brother Doug say? Shout out to Doug in Exile. Cry in your soy milk. Yeah, buddy. We're riding today, Patriots. We're riding. That truck's running good. I tell you. That V6 is running good, but the V6 blew up a couple year ago, so we put 5 years ago, so we engine swapped it and put a V8 in it. Oh, and she's been running good ever since. Yeah, but that V6 it did its time though. We put about 500,000 miles on it. Yeah, buddy. Now we're about to put about 300,000 miles on this V8. She's running. We're running, Patriots. And man, it might be a landslide in November, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it, man. What they saying? Everybody's tagging me and all kind of stuff right now. Salute to all them beautiful Patriots that show so much love to me, man, and keep me updated on what's going on. Man, someone says Jack Smith has again been shut down. What boy?
You know, I'm sure if you're the Biden White House, you're paying close attention to this as well, because in the situation that we find ourselves in the utilization of the justices in politics. Let me go to you, Jonathan Turley, for a reaction to this decision so far.
Well, this is along the lines of what many of us anticipated, that the court did not go with absolute immunity on everything, but did say that there's absolute immunity when it comes to core constitutional powers. We're still going through the opinion to see if there's any assistance on where that line is to be drawn. This case is going to have to go back to the district court, which is going to have to try to sort of thread this needle to determine what in the case would not fall under these protections. But this is obviously a win for President Trump, in the sense that the special counsel was arguing, as with the lower court, that there was very little immunity here to be concerned with. The counsel for the government was assuring the court that they really didn't have much to be concerned with here in terms of any changes in the status of the case. That's clearly not what won the day. The court here is saying that we do need lines here drawn to protect presidents, so they have some breathing room. And you have to sort of wonder how the context affected the justices. I mean, if they want to look at the implications of leaving presidents without protection, they just need to look around the country. Even though Manhattan was not a federal case, it was a political prosecution in the view of many of us that was rather raw and open. And so this is a context that must have concentrated the minds of these justices as they did what Justice Gorsuch said and tried to write for the ages, to have something not for this case, but for future cases and future presidents.
I'm Steve Ducey.
Woo! Oh boy. Oh boy. What do y'all think of that, man? Comment down below. How y'all feeling today, Patriots? Bless you and your family. Salute to all my brothers and sisters out there, man. One love, baby. One love, man. We are all brothers and sisters in Jesus' name, baby. We got to come together, man. They want us divided. We got to come together, man. Right is right, wrong is wrong. And again, there's a lot of people that need to be held accountable, man. Simple as that. A lot of people that need to be held accountable. And when he said out his mouth, I did nothing wrong, you about to best believe it. You about to best believe it, man. I told you the truth must shine in the light, whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not, for the good or for the bad, the truth must shine in the light, baby. For the good or for the bad. Keep telling you. He says, big win for our Constitution, our democracy. Proud to be an American, baby. Oh, man. But y'all hit that like button. Let me know what y'all think about everything that's going on, man. And again, win after win after win, y'all. Win after win after win. We cannot stop now. You know, we cannot stop now. We got to keep speaking up, and please make sure you get out and go. Got to get up off them booty cheeks. Yeah, you might be wearing the hat, you might be wearing a shirt, and most likely I probably sent it to you. I know you're looking fresh right now with your hat and your shirts and all you kind of stuff that you got on that I sent to you. But besides all that, make sure you actually go out and do that thing, man. Go out and do it. As soon as it open up, go on out there and do it in person. You know, he said, well, we're going to be watching them like hawks. You know, and it's sad that we got to worry about who's collecting and counting. Unbelievable. But I don't want to go into detail or anything, say anything about that, because y'all know, don't want nobody messing with me or anything. And I want to stay in the community guidelines, and I want to do everything right. But y'all know what it is, man, for what it is. I love y'all. God bless you all and your families once again. Hope y'all have an amazing start to your week, an amazing start to July. Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Yes, indeed, man. It's going to be an amazing month, you guys. But hey, I love y'all, and I will catch y'all in the next one. We got some amazing videos dropping today, so go on, tune in with your boy. We're going to have some fun. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace and love, y'all.